This is the brief on ZAI's GLM 5.1. So, picture a dark server hall, illuminated only by a glowing benchmark leaderboard. This isn't a chatbot. It's an open-weight AI built specifically for agentic engineering, meaning it autonomously executes complex coding tasks. We're literally shifting from building smart dictionaries that answer a single prompt to creating junior developers you can just leave alone in a terminal to fix bugs all day. First, let's look at the benchmark breakthrough. On SW Bench Pro, which tests real-world software engineering skills, GLM 5.1 scored a 58.4, outperforming heavyweights like GPT 5.4 at 57.7 and Claude Opus 4.6 at 57.3. But before we get too hyped, we've got to acknowledge it doesn't dominate every category. Gemini 3.1 Pro actually still leads on terminal tasks, making GLM 5.1 a highly competitive player, not some undisputed god model. Second, that intelligence really only matters because of its long horizon execution. Visualize a split-screen dashboard tracking hundreds of autonomous tool calls and code revisions. With a 200K context window, meaning it holds hundreds of files in memory at once, and a massive 128K output capacity, it sustains an experiment analyze optimized loop for up to 8 hours straight. Now, why does endurance matter more than raw intelligence? Because real engineering requires trial, error, and adjusting strategy, not just one lucky guess. Finally, releasing this under an open-source MIT license alongside its API forces the whole industry to compete on finished work, not just demo videos. But consider the real danger of long-horizon autonomy. What happens when an unsupervised model hallucinates or drifts off strategy for 8 hours? Trust and guardrails, not just smarts, are the true bottlenecks now. The real test of GLM 5.1 isn't its launch week benchmarks, but whether the market will actually trust an open-weight model to write code in the dark.